Today we're looking at the TPU 5008, the 7-way trailer wiring kit with transparent junction box with the 8-foot pigtail. So it has the 7-way plug on it, 8-foot pigtail, 7-way wire with this nice transparent box, so you can see what's going on inside without having to actually take the box off and the top off and see. I like it a lot. A lot of manufacturers are using them. Convenient. Makes it really easy to wire up. It also comes with the instructions right here. I'll let you take a look at that. Copper blades, 8-foot long cord, 4 open and 4 closed rubber grommets. If you want to know more about this product, check us out online at TrailerPartsUnlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687. Thank you.